Hi, my name's Rita and I'm here to show you how you can use Insight on your own. Insight makes it easy for you to capture thoughts wherever you browse. All you've got to do is click the Insight tab in the bottom right corner of your browser to open the sidebar and take a note. Each note you make here will automatically include a link to the web page you're on. You can do this anywhere on the web, whether it's a video you'd like to save for later, an email in your inbox, or even a route on Google Maps. To see all your notes in one place, just click the home icon or the Insight logo. You can also pin Insight to your toolbar for quicker access to your home feed while you browse. Once you're on the home feed, you can leave yourself a quick note or manage the ones you've made elsewhere. Notes that contain links make it easy to jump back to where they were made. When you click a link and go to the page, the sidebar opens, showing you the notes and any others that you might have made on that page. To add more to an existing note, you can click the arrow to quote it and build on your ideas. You can quote a note as many times as you'd like. Insight's also got some handy tools to help you stay organized. Focus your feed on what matters by using the eye icon to hide notes. And then, if you need to see them again, just toggle Include Hidden at the top to bring them into view. You can do this on your home feed or directly on the web page using the sidebar. When you need to mark a note as important, use the flag icon. You can find them all later by using the flagged filter on the left-hand side of your home feed. But remember, hidden notes can be flagged too, so unhide them when you need to. If you've completed a task, click the tick on a note to mark it as done. Then use the Done filter to see all your completed tasks. Don't forget to toggle for those you've hidden. To find specific notes, the search bar's got you covered. Filter for keywords in your notes or the URLs, such as Google Maps. Or try using emojis to label your notes to easily filter for them later. It's as simple as that. Make sure you check out my other video about using Insight while working with others.